Alright, so we swept up most of the leaves and debris, and now we've just rented a 4,000 psi pressure washer. We're going to pressure washer all the old dirt and all the old stain off the driveway. And just want to make sure not to leave any marks. If you've never used one of these pressure washers before, they're pretty powerful. You don't want to hit any part of your body or leave any marks in the concrete with the pressure washer, so keep it away from all feet. Don't point at anybody. Safety features.
It's also a good idea to always keep the tip moving.
Keep the tip moving, yep. The closer you get to it, the stronger it pressure washes the concrete.